2,000 years later.
Hi, I'm Amy. Nice to meet you again. Today I'm going to make the holder for garden tools. Let's see how I make it. I'm using 1x4x8 for this project. Mark 4 feet. And drill holes in the middle and both ending sides. So this way, when I'm ready to put the screw inside, the wood will not crack. Then put the screw on. Make sure the screw didn't poke through the other side of the wood, so it's easier when you put the board on the wall. Use a level to make sure it's level, and then put the screw inside. It's 8 feet long and I have 10 racks, so I mark 9.5 inch per section. I wish I put the rack on before I put the board on the wall. That way it's much easier, save me a bunch of time and energy. It's a mistake.